Today, I'm gonna share to you my cheesy pan de sal a la RaNa. Stay tuned and let's start maybe? Come on. Check out the ingredients. We have the all-purpose flour 3 cups, white sugar 1 tablespoon, iodized salt 1 teaspoon, unsalted butter 150 grams, cheddar cheese, sesame seeds, breadcrumbs, coconut oil, dried yeast. Start preparing in a small bowl your dried yeast and a 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Add some sufficient quantity of water. Mix it thoroughly till it rises. This is how the dried yeast look like when it is already activated, and you can observe that there's a form of bubbles on top of it and a sudden rise. On a separate bowl, put 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 teaspoonful of iodized salt, and a crushed butter. Blend it, mash it manually. You can use also a hand mixer to blend it to make it more soft. Place the activated yeast on this bowl, mix it together by a hand mixer, or you can also mash it if you want to do it manually. Cover the dough for an hour with a cling wrapper to enable it to rise, at least to increase the size of the made dough. This is how it looks like when it's risen up, and it's so soft. Punch all the dough to release all the air inside of the made dough, and then cut it into pieces according to the desired size. Put the fillings in the middle of that small cutted dough. You can put the cheddar cheese or any fillings as you wish. Some use Nutella chocolate and some use peanut butter. It's according to your taste. Roll the bread onto the breadcrumbs, and you can also add sesame seed as optional. Place it inside the oven and bake it at 150 degrees for only 15 to 20 minutes. Tada! This is the final product of our cheesy pan de sal a la RaNa. I hope you like it. Enjoy eating! If you have any comments or suggestion, you can comment down below and I will get back to you on my next video. Thank you. God bless you all.